There's always been a retirement strategy of the eastern
Yes.
seaboarders to, when they're ready to retire or almost retire, sell that property and downsize to a state like South Australia that has a lot less capital price on their properties and, release some of that money for their retirement.
Absolutely.
So, yeah.
So a big part of our process is helping those people that are not perhaps as familiar with how the Adelaide market is and which areas to focus on and what are the implications of buying in some of those further suburbs where there's a lot of new development happening, a lot of high density development as well. I mean, there's implications on all of those things.
Yes.
And I think on the surface, sometimes it looks quite attractive in terms of the property price and the yields.
That's right.
But if you're looking at a long-term strategy, it's important to look at the what does it look like if you were to own that investment for 20 years? How's that going to actually look over that period?
And is that sort of the time frame that people tend to own property, or is that varied?
It varies a lot, we find. Some people are looking for just like a short-term cash flow situation. Some people are looking for an intermediate, maybe 5 to 10 years. Maybe it's a stepping stone for something else.
Yes.
It really is a wide variety of people and what they're looking at. I think the vast majority are just your mum and dad landlords that are looking to have something for retirement, and I think a lot of tenants assume that all landlords or property investors are these big property moguls that own dozens of properties, and it's actually not really the case.
True.
It's a very small percentage of property investors.
And from that point of view, a final point that I'll discuss is when is the right time to sell from a tax point of view.